Natural beauty is ungiven. Infinity there is for. We must be grateful to the Almighty by maintaining, care for and preserve it. Simply by looking at nature, you feel peace. Go on an adventure as far as the eye can see. Pedal as far as the road stretches. Learn as far as nature unfolds. Give it the best to nature, and nature will be kind to give the best to you. How to live a happy life? Energy, enthusiasm, and empathy. Love is embodiment of the beauty of the universe. When someone is in love, then everything will look beautiful. Be like the twilight. The beauty always makes you calm, and it's the better makes you longing. Happiness calm to yourself. So give up yourself time for to enjoy life by enjoying the beauty of nature.
My brother, you have to come here because this is wonderful place in Indonesia. Look at that.